All right, welcome back to our next segment of creating our customer profiles. And we have again today our special guest, Todd. Now remember, I don't know this man. This is just a random photo that I pulled off the internet after searching for Todd. So, one of the things that we're going to focus today is how to create content using our profiles, or how to create a sales pitch or anything else using our customer profiles. So, going down, we have his life, and we kind of understand a little bit about him, where he's from, what he's doing. We kind of broke down a half an hour day by day until about 8 a.m. to kind of understand his family life, how he works, his thoughts, interests. This is really random, but it's actually super helpful to create good sales pitches and good content for your customers. So, one of the things that we understand is that he is frustrated with his job. And the reason we know that he doesn't like his job says another day of this shit. Meaning he has to wake up and go to work. Now, I would love to say that this is him in particular, but most people don't enjoy their jobs. Statistics prove that more than 65% of the people in the U.S. working force don't actually enjoy their jobs. So it's pretty easy to find out and understand that most people don't like their jobs, and most people don't enjoy them, so easy to create content and target people that way by creating a message. So he is frustrated with his job. He is money conscious because of a conversation that he had with his daughter asking him for $20. Most parents get asked all the time for money. If you're a parent, you've been asked multiple times for money. He's not fitting in well with his job, as we can tell with a conversation with Terrence about employee morale, and he's losing morale with his employees. So what we can do is we understand these points about Todd, and we can say, okay, if we were going to create a Facebook ad, or if we were going to create some information, we could create content for our barbecue catering company about how to improve employee morale with food, and good food. We could also write content about how to throw a party at your office and how that's really helpful for employee morale, or how to gain the trust of your employees. There's lots of information we can use that we can center around food. And so all we really have to do is create these profiles that are generally around our customers or people we know, and use that as a targeting message and method to figure out how to write for them. And all a customer profile is giving you a visualization of who to write for and how to write for them, or how to create content for them, or how to create a product for them. This is the basic steps of all entrepreneurial goals, is to figure out what your customers need, find a solution for it, and then sell them that solution. Pretty easy. This can be applied across any type of industry. I don't care what you are. You just need to figure out how to create a profile, figure out how to find the pain points in their life, give them a solution to those pain points, a nice, pretty, and wrapped package. That's all you really have to do. All right, that's all we have for today. We will catch you next time.